So today I decided to do a time lapse inspired by my friend Tony. I'm going to be cleaning up all the shrubs out front, bird of paradise, and cleaning out the mulch bed, leveling it out, hauling everything away. Then we'll be heading over to Lowe's to get some new mulch. It was about 90 degrees, 60% humidity, so it felt like about 100. I drank lots of water. Didn't really have the right shoes or gloves or anything, but if you're going to do a project like this, I'd recommend getting some boots and some gloves. As you'll see, I'm using a big, I call it a snow shovel, and that's what I'm using to sweep up all the debris. Here I'm just leveling out the beds and getting all the old mulch rounded up. That way I can scoop it up and put it in the bag, and that gives me a nice level substrate to work with. Anybody can do their own landscaping. It's a little intimidating because it is a lot of work, but I hope you see this video and realize that it's not as hard as it is.
We've cut back all the plants. Bird of paradise, big guy right there. And we've leveled all the mulch beds. Which basically just means I raked up all the old dead mulch, the discolorated mulch, bagged it up, got rid of it, and took the small rake and just leveled everything out. That way we have a nice flat substrate to put the new mulch on. We are going to be changing colors back to red, so that's why I wanted to get all that old dead brown mulch up. As you can see, there's red underneath this, so it'll blend really well. Time to go to Lowe's.
So first I like to unload all the mulch and get it kind of spaced out. That way when it's time to spread, I can just start dumping and leveling everything out right away. I did buy a little heavy on the mulch. We got a few extra bags, but I'd rather be safe than sorry, and I can use it somewhere else or on another house. So yeah, I'm just unloading it, and you'll see here in a second we're getting it all evenly spread, and this is the fun part. All that work this morning really pays off when all you gotta do is lift these bags and dump them and spread them nice and even, and you got a nice clean spot to put it down on. I did this over a handful of hours. Again, it was hot outside, and you don't want to get overheated, or if you do this for a living, then yeah, you want to be able to get it done quicker and get to the next job. But for your average homeowner, this is perfect to kind of take half a day to knock out a project like this.
So here's the finished product. Did a real thick coat on this one, nice and even. The red really beats the brown or the black, in my opinion. Just pops, makes the plants pop. So I'll clean up these edges and wet it down, and we're good to go. Anybody can do it. You do it the way you like.